Sunrise breaks on a weathered coast, salt on the breeze, the thing I love most. Red cliffs glow and the tide rolls in, every ending feels like a place to begin. Boots on stone where the wild waves sound, heart beats strong on this sacred ground. From quiet coves to the open sea, this land keeps calling back to me. Slow it down, let the moment show